Hey guys, today I would like to show you an example of how to use Scheps Omni channel. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. I'm going to set my saturation. I am using it in stereo mode and set it to even, high pass at 30. We'll leave the low pass as is. We'll set our slope to 6. We'll set our saturation to 6.5. Let's close that. Open our expander. This time we're using it in MS mode. We're going to first set our release to set it to 5. Our attack, we'll set it to 7. And then we're going to set our threshold to minus 23.5. And I'm also going to set my floor to minus 35. The sides, I'm going to keep the release as is, but we'll use a faster attack. I'll set my threshold to minus 50. In our EQ section, we'll use this in MS mode. I'm going to increase my lows a little bit, add a touch of tone, and pull back the lower mids, a touch of the highs on the sides, and a touch of tone. Then finally, we are going to use a VCA. We'll link that. We'll use it in stereo mode, and we're not going to do too much on this occasion. I set our ratio to 1.5 to 1. We'll keep our attack at 4. Let's do a 50 milliseconds release, and we'll set our threshold to around minus 18. We're ready to listen to it. Here is again before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.